bug solver. Today I will show you how to install Angular in a Mac OS permanently. How to fix all these bugs for installing the Angular in a Mac OS. So you know about the Node.js. This is a npm node package manager, and you have download and you want to install the Angular using this command npm install -g @angular and Sela. Oh, this is very easy, but in a Mac it is not easy. In this, after installing this command, you will set the path using this .bash file. Like this time, open editing .bash profile. You can see. Oops, how I fix this? I don't know what is a .bash profile. I don't know. So just forget of this thing. I will show you how to install in a very easy way Angular in a Mac OS. Okay. So go to my blog. This is how to install ng problem in a Mac. So many times you install Angular, you can see here ng version. Have you installed the ng? Have you installed Angular? But ng version is not found. Oops. Okay, go to next step. There is some steps here. There's the first step is install brew. What is a brew? Brew is the open source package manager. Brew. Okay, you can see the brew is open source package manager software. This system for simplify installing the software here. This is very easy. Okay. Oops. Got it here. And check this. You can see this installation command here using brew. So I copy this command C, and go to terminal and click on enter. Bigger the screen and click on enter. I want my password, login password. Click on enter, again enter, and downloading some dependencies. You can see is a head of March pull request and load. Okay, it's downloading because I have already downloaded my local system. It's cool. So check the brew version. Brew -v. You can see this is a home brew version is a 3.2.1. Good. I want to install the node in this system in a Mac OS using brew. So this is my very simple command: install brew. Brew install node. Click on enter. Oh, warning! I installed already. This is an up-to-date system. Brew and reinstall node. I will call this command for reinstall node. After run this command, it's uninstall this last version, like 16.4.2 is the last version, and updated version 16.4.2. So it's not working. So I want to check the node version. Node -v. This is 16.4.2. Okay, and I want to check the npm version. So this is 7.18.1. Okay, it's done. After I'm installing an Angular, copy command and enter. It will take us some time because it will download all the dependencies in your local system. I have installed, so I'm not installed again. So just clear this command, and after I will check this npm system. Just check ng version. Oh, it's very beautiful. It's an Angular CLI. It's good. So sorry, today's task is completed. Angular installed in my local system. So in the bug solver, how to solve any bug, how to solve any library in a Mac operating system, Linux operating system, and also the Windows. I will help you. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment this video. If any problem,